Hello everyone, welcome back to Secrets to Trading 101, where we make trading simple and profitable. I'm Ian, the COO, co-founder, and your go-to expert for broker tutorials and Forex strategies. Today, I'll show you how to claim a 50% sign-up bonus up to 500 USD when you create your Vantage account. Just follow these easy steps and use the link in the description box below to lock it in. Vantage Markets is a top regulated broker trusted by 5 million traders for Forex, stocks, crypto pairs, and more. We'll cover creating your account, completing KYC, setting up a MetaTrader account with login details, and handling deposits and withdrawals. All concise, no fluff. Let's get started. Depending on where you're watching this, if you're watching this tutorial on YouTube, then click the link in the description box below. Otherwise, if you're watching this video on secretstotrading101.com, simply click on the button below this video. This takes you to the Vantage Markets sign-up page. Select your country of residence from the dropdown, enter your email, create a strong password, agree to the terms, and click Create Account. You'll get a confirmation email, so make sure to check your junk folder if you don't see the confirmation email from Vantage Markets in your inbox. Lastly, you can access your dashboard by going to the home page. Click on Login and use your email and password. After logging in for the first time, Vantage Markets will ask you to fill in your personal details. Enter your name, phone number, and any other required info. Then click on Next when you're done. Now it will ask you for the account creation. If you plan on connecting to STT101 AutoTrader, which is our autonomous trading robot, then select MetaTrader 4 from the dropdown. Choose Standard for the account type, and for account currency, you can choose any currency that you want. I'll move ahead with USD. Accept the terms and click on Next. Vantage Markets will then email you your MetaTrader 4 login details right away. Check your inbox or your spam folder. The email comes from Vantage Markets customer support. The subject will be your new MT4 account details, and inside the email you'll see your login ID, a password, and the server name. Copy these details in order to log into your MetaTrader 4 account. Also, pro tip, if you're testing things out for now, you can also open a demo MetaTrader 4 account from your Vantage Markets dashboard. It's the same process, but select Demo during the MetaTrader account setup. No real money is needed. With your MetaTrader account created, you'll want to verify your identity to enable withdrawals and deposits from your account. That process is called KYC, or Know Your Customer. This is standard for compliance and unlocks trading. Click on ID verification to begin the KYC. Confirm your first and last name, nationality, and select a proof of identity from the dropdown. You can also upload a clear picture of your passport, driver's license, or national ID. Make sure it's valid and shows your full name, photo, and the expiry date. When you're done, click on Submit and wait for Vantage Markets to approve your KYC. Vantage Markets reviews KYCs quickly. Typically, your KYC documents will be approved within 24 hours. You'll also get an email notification when your KYC has been approved. So make sure to keep an eye on your email's junk folder in case the notification goes to your spam. If you get stuck anywhere, hit the 24/7 support. Completing KYC is also important as it upgrades your account for live trading with real money. Funding your account is seamless. In the dashboard, click Funds from the menu, select Deposit, choose your MetaTrader 4 account, and pick a deposit method, credit card, bank transfer, or even crypto. Enter the amount you want to deposit, and then hit Confirm. For withdrawals, go back to your dashboard, click Funds from the menu, and select Withdrawal. Choose the MetaTrader account to withdraw from, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Withdrawals are processed in 1 to 5 days, and in our experience can be as fast as same-day withdrawals. Also, pro tip, withdraw to the same method you used when depositing for quicker withdrawals. For example, if you used crypto to deposit, then withdraw in crypto. If you deposited using a credit card, withdraw to your credit card. For speed, withdraw to the same method that you used for depositing. There you have it. Remember to sign up using the link in the description box or the button below this video if you're watching from secretstotrading101.com. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.